welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time I wanted to go over how to make Sinigang, a Filipino dish in a crock pot. Now, I didn't have all the ingredients because I forgot some, forgive me for that, but the recipe that I made in a crock pot turned out really good. So let's get started. Hey, stay away. Just kidding. You like it? Yummy. And it's done. That was so delicious. My boyfriend loved it too, and it came out really great. So I hope you guys love this quick, easy recipe on how to make sinigang in the crock pot. And if you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please like and comment below as well if you have any other crock pot recipes that I should try out. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for your love and support.